My name is Tyler Harrell, and this is my restorative art lab. I tried to put some cosmetics on my wax this evening, and it wasn't. This particular wax, I just could not get anything. It really ended up making the whole thing look worse than it did. But uh, the features and proportions, there's my ears, both ears. Uh, Probably should have put that side over here. But my eyes, my nose, my mouth. The cheeks and the chin, and then the forehead. Uh, I had a lot of trouble working with this wax. Just I don't know what the deal was, but I couldn't get it to really do anything uh, that I wanted it to do. But I ended up was able to add the nasolabial folds and things like that. I can see here where my ears aren't just exactly right, but the facial markings, the ones that stood out to me were the oblique, palpebral sulcus, the inner ciliary sulci here. The oblique was here. The nasolabial fold here, and then the inferior palpebral sulci uh, over here under the eye. These are just from what I turned in last week. That's sort of how it looked before I added a little bit of the makeup and everything like that, which, like I said, I didn't get close to the result that I was after. But anyway, thank you.